Is eczema and dermatitis are the same thing? Well, it's not that simple. Let's break it down one by one. First, we will discuss about dermatitis. It's a broad medical term which simply means inflammation of skin. That could be because of many things. That includes allergy, infection, irritants, or even by your environment. Yes, you heard that right. The twist is, eczema is just a type of dermatitis. Specifically, it's a chronic form that often starts in childhood and tends to run in families. The most common one is atopic dermatitis. So for a simpler understanding, we can say that eczema is a type of dermatitis. But not all dermatitis is eczema. And there are other types too, like contact dermatitis. It often flares up when your skin touches something irritating. Or seborrheic dermatitis, which causes flaky patches, especially around your face and scalp. Sometimes both can be overlapping, like itchiness, redness, dryness, even blisters. But eczema is more persistent and linked to immune system triggers. And if you're facing skin issues, don't make random guesses. Just get yourself diagnosed. Well, because the treatment varies depending on the type that you have. And the conclusive answer to our very first query that we asked in the beginning, whether both of these are same. The answer is, eczema is just a type of dermatitis. Both are related, but both are not twins. And if you found this video helpful, like this video, share this video, subscribe to LIT Expertise for more such updates. And yes, don't forget to hit that bell icon.